truth back. Y'all know what the fuck this is, man. Check me out, man. Fresh out of the body, man. 6 years down, Joe. A few more to go, nigga. I'm home now, man. Hey, I got shorty in them on location, and I got a few goons that's gonna ride with me, man. Y'all know what the fuck it is. And check it. Baby got shoes, partner just got out on bail. Bun cake like, boy, this money got a crack smell. If she only knew them bands come from crack sales, I be heading back to an overcrowded black jail. But I ain't going back, I just be the premeditated. When people snatch me, my people gon' be devastated. Bitch, I know how neat, and no one commentate. That's trademark dope, rap the shit and commentate. Hey, yo, I would never calm down. Say hello to Mr. Mac 90, got a drum now. You should hit them motherfucking bullets when they out. These niggas pussy, I will fucking let the calm out. Why me? Why they won't try me? Niggas flow water down, homie, my shit high C. These niggas sick as hell, they gon' need an IV. Call up a RN for we RIP. ER room, long ass sleep, not a heart rate or nothing. That's long ass beat. CICE ROIB. I'm so fucking full deuce, they should free Rashid. Stay out my beat, I please. For them gorillas you running with, get shot up out them trees. You the niggas just honey sweet, I'm running with bees. You got nothing but 30 shots, that's 100 of these. And these all hollows, you will fucking swallow these. And that's a closed casket for your motherfucking piece. I'm a motherfucking G, nigga, I don't mean goon, but them shouties that I'm running with, they carry platoons. I will take a nigga bitch and make her carry balloons. Down the whole pussy till the bitch run out of room. Yo, it's some real takers I know that'll make your drugs disappear like Osco. You can count on people who care, nigga, I won't. I ain't count shit but all the money that I blow. What? On whatever I want and need. These fuckers all brawls, once a month they all bleed. I'm a fucking OC, separate me from the batch. I snatch his ribs out, separate him from his blacks, nigga. I am back, I said bitch, I am back. That's a whole case of Tron and a couple loud packs. You fuckers ain't on, y'all fucking running packs for the niggas who on that. Where they do that at, I am nowhere near y'all, and my ears don't hear y'all. Your flow just some good dope, but my shit is fentanyl. My shit menthol, my shit offend y'all. Nigga think he hot, I'm putting this hot shit in y'all. Bitch, I'm a pinball, bouncing off the whizzle. Death is in your building, running up, down, his all. Death to your children, that's mama and in-laws. Any motherfucker you associate with, dog. And little homie don't negotiate shit, dog. I'm a pit bull, you don't wanna get me pissed off. How your bitch on the stroll giving lip jaw. I got this shit under control, Willie Lynch law. So don't you try to save face. I will eat a nigga ass, I won't even say grace. I will make a man up, I will put him in his place. I ain't never ran from shit, they forever getting chased. I'm all about this money like my last name Chase. You little niggas in the way, y'all should fucking get erased. Like off the face of this motherfucking planet. Everything about you fake, nigga, Latoya and Janet. Yeah. And bitch, I'm in my rear zone. These hoes love me cause they all got my rib bone. Look homie, a boss, these other niggas ain't near on. I don't feel shit but the man that put me here on this planet Earth. I've been that way since birth. And I know why they mad, cause little homie got work. They can't find a job, boy, little homie got work. Boy, fuck up on that job, then the nigga getting hurt. Cause over that dirty money, I'm sending them to the dirt. I'm sending these people out and they printing them on the shirt. They stuffing them in the hearse and dumping them in the grave site. You just get money, I'm checking that money all night. How I check money, we checking it, ho. All white, and I'm all right. I ain't never had a problem with. You ain't 4 dudes, then you shouldn't even holler shit. Every day I'm Prada down, and I'm rocking they hottest shit. I'm sipping rolls, don't be talking about that bottle shit. You ain't fucked nothing till you fucked on a model bitch. In the models, boy, they all love to swallow this. Couple years ago, man, little homie ain't have a pot to piss. Couple years ago, I was just in a cell plotting this. Now I'm out that bitch, I got the strip going buku. Had to spill a lot of blood, and I ain't talking Suwu. Anybody get it, nigga, that includes you too. Put you on the screen, fucker, I ain't talking YouTube. Put a couple holes in your head, knock screws loose. I had to pay dues to the dudes that I grew to. I got my own crew, now I got my own zoo, and everybody apes now. Fuck a nigga won't do. Bitch, I am great, that's the word I belong to. My last name Bank, ho, you could get a loan too. Yeah, I been a goblin, look, stop it. These niggas is sweet, they like Hershey with the almonds. I'm gripping the pipe like a bitch when she commenting. You and me different, we ain't got shit in common. You would testify like that joint back comment. You fuck over me, I'm coming back like Carmen. And I'm so charming, no top on that caramel. Maserati ride, look at how that bitch ride. I just opened up the door, look like that whore about to fly. I'm so motherfucking fly, this shit should be illegal. They should put my face on the American Eagle. Looking at my waist, you gotta know that's an eagle. I'll put it in your face, you gotta know I will leave you right where you're chilling at, like right where you're building at. That's right where your wife and your motherfucking cheering at.